Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in today's video I'll be taking you guys on how to make this elegant ruched kaftan dress that gives you a rich auntie vibe. So if this is the content you're interested in watching, please keep watching and don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more amazing videos like this. So let's get started. So this is 3 yards of fabric for the kaftan. We folded this fabric into 2 to check out the length at which we want the sleeve to get to, which is 15 inches. So we'll move on to measuring the shoulder to the full length. My full length is 58, so I measured 58 inches. Then move ahead to measure the shoulder of 18 inches, 16 inches rather, divided by 2, we have 8 inches. Then we go down by 1 inch for the shoulder slope. Then move ahead to measure the neckline of 3.5 inches, then 5 inches depth for it. So this 5 inches is actually I know that you people will be saying that it's small, but because this dress is having a band which is an elastic, we used 5 inches. Just that after fixing the elastic, it's going to bring down the neckline to be like 6 inches or 7 inches. So we'll move ahead to measure the shoulder to the bust line, shoulder to the under bust and half length, and also to the hip line. Then we started imputing what we have for the measurements. So we are using the bigger part of the body for this kaftan, which is the hip. So it all depends on your kind of body. Some persons, their bust is bigger than the hip, so you could decide to use the bigger part. So the bigger parts, which is my hip measurement, divided by 4, we have 10.5. Before then we went down for the sleeve, round sleeve measurement, we have 10 inches. Then we started by imputing this 10.5, which is hip divided by 4, to 10.5. Then we added 5 inches for the sewing allowance. So this is what, just in case you are doing yours, because the initial measurement we used was 3 inches, so we saw that it's not going to give us that big stature that we want, so we added 5 inches for the sewing allowance. So we'll move ahead to cutting out this fabric. So if you understand this, please let me know in the comment section on how you love this design. So just in case you want to do yours, you actually need to make yours about 5 inches for the sewing allowance, just to be on the safer side. So we actually place this. After cutting out this pattern, we are going to measure where we want the belt to be, which is dividing your waist measurement into 4. Then this is the front part. We measured the shoulder to half length. Then we measured 7.5 inches. That is, my waistline is 30 inches divided by 4. We have 7.5, so we impute the 7.5 on that part, on the 2 sides like that. So this is where we place the front pattern on the other pattern to cut out the back part of this dress. So this is where we are doing it. This is where we are cutting out this pattern, just for you guys to understand better. So this is it. So after cutting out that, we are going to be cutting out our belt, which will be at the front line. So before sewing it, we are going to be cutting out this belt. So the measurements we needed for the belt, I actually made this belt to be 30 inches. That is 35 by 2. We have 15 inches. So in total we have 15 inches for each of the belt. So this is what we have, and we divided the belt into 2. So this is we cutting it. Then after cutting, we'll move ahead to cut out the facing for the front and the back line. And mind you, the neckline we use for the back line is actually a v-neck too, just in case you want to do yours. So we did a v-neck for the front line, and this is what we have. We added 3 inches. You have 3 inches for the length of the facing for both the back and the front, and this is what we have. So before then, we after cutting out this the front neckline, move ahead to the sewing machine to actually weave all this material before sewing it together. So in here we've actually we've placed the facing at the front line. So here now we're actually marking out where our belt line is going to be staying. So this is where we have it, and we're also marking the midpoint of this dress, which gives us edge, or gives us the opportunity to place the elastic on it like this. So this is the midpoint. We actually used our iron to bring out the midpoint of this dress, which is the front pattern. This is where we are using our chalk to divide the midpoint. So here now, this is the elastic band. So when you're fixing it, make sure that you're dragging the elastic band just as you want. But for me, I really don't want the front part to be that short, so I was kind of considerate when dragging the elastic band. So this is where we fixed both the belt and the elastic band to it. So when doing yours, you could decide to use the elastic band to drag it so well, so that it could be so visible and so fine when doing yours. So this is us joining the front and the back shoulder together, and also we are going to be joining the this thing together, where this is what we have after joining it. So here now we are going to be move ahead to join out the sleeve part of this dress, and also using 1 inch to join the sides together. So let's move ahead to joining it. So in this which is the sleeve length, we are going to be using 1 inch to sew all this dress. So you can see how beautiful and elegant it looks. This is just a very simple dress to make. So let me know your thought on the comment section if you like to recreate this on your own. So thank you all for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and also subscribe to my channel for more amazing video like this. See you on my next video. Bye.